Hey, what's up? In this video, we'll explore 10 resume hacks in less than 100 seconds to get noticed online. We'll take this random resume here and enhance it to a point recruiters cannot ignore it. So let's start. Number 1, word clouds. Tailor your resume to each job posting by using word clouds. Copy-paste job postings in there, select the keywords that are mentioned the most and put them in your resume. Number 2, widen your professional experience. Diversify your work experience by including volunteering you've done, projects you created, or schoolwork relevant to the job you want. Number 3, achievement-oriented bullets. Employers don't care about what you've done in your previous jobs, they care about your results. Turn your tasks into accomplishments using the STAR method. Number 4, quantify when you can. Help recruiters visualize what you have accomplished by adding numbers when relevant. Number 5, vary your action verb list. Your resume doesn't have to be boring. Diversify your vocabulary using different action verbs to describe your results. You can download a list of 50 action verbs I use down in the description. Number 6, easy to skim. Recruiters spend around 6 seconds looking at your resume. Make it easy to read for them. Space out your information and be concise in your phrases. Number 7, front load. Switch the sections around to put your most relevant experience for the job you're applying to at the top of your resume. Number 8, nice font. Stop using boring font that millions of others are using. Use sans serif, nice looking modern fonts like Avenir, Helvetica, or Geneva. Number 9, online proofreading tool. 58% of employers reject a resume with typos. Use Grammarly and save your application for free. And number 10, Carmen.co. Carmen uses AI to tell you if your resume is well optimized for a job posting. Upload your resume for free, choose a job posting and get a score and real feedback to help you edit it the right way. If you need more help crafting your resume, then download my free guide on how to create an interview generating CV in less than an hour down in the description. And this is the end already. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to Primal Career because I release videos like this one every week and you don't want to miss them. Let me know in the comment section below what new hacks have you learned today and what are you going to use first. Are you going to use the word clouds, Carmen.co, or maybe the proofreading tool? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll talk to you next week. Ciao.